may rason ka na naman para bumili. Pero good news, hindi ito masyadong mahal. Walang iba kundi ang CMF Buds Pro 2. These earbuds feature a dual driver setup with an 11mm and 6mm driver. The stem design is quite standard but with 3 microphones on each bud, it's optimized for clear calls. Hindi lang yan dahil ang buds nito are IP55 rated, offering decent protection against dust and water, making them gym and rain friendly. Meron din itong active noise cancellation at ang sound profile is bass heavy. Battery life is impressive as well as dahil up to 43 hours ang tinatagal nito without ANC and 6.5 hours kapag meron. A quick 10-minute charge gives up to 3 hours of playback which is great for on-the-go use. Meron itong Nothing X app that offers a sleek interface with extensive customization options for the controls and EQ settings. Grabe! Kung ako sa'yo, take my money na to. Ano pa bang hinahanap mo? Hindi lahat ng mahal, mahal ka.